Hello everyone, welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And guys, today I'm going to be doing yet another haul because I don't know, you guys. I don't have any self-control. It's a Sephora haul. It is. Let me just go ahead and get out of the way. That's what it is. So I do apologize. I know that my video maybe like 2 weeks ago was a Sephora haul. I know I'm doing one now, so I do apologize if it's kind of like not as few and far between as it should be. I did one pretty recently, but I went to Sephora with my mom. Me and her kind of had like a mother-daughter day, as we do kind of often, which I love. But me and her did go to other places. By the way, you're going to be seeing this a lot during the video. I did not get another tattoo. This is temporary. It's from Inkbox, that subscription service. I messed it up because I dropped the little towel that they give you to press it on with. I dropped it and it made it smudge. But I'm thinking of actually getting this tattoo. It says always. It's from Harry Potter, and it's what Severus says. And I'm thinking of actually getting this. I've wanted this for quite a while, and I want to get it in blue because I'm a Ravenclaw. So I actually might get that. So that's why it's there, because I wanted to test it out first. Anyways, that's besides the point. I went to Sephora and I want to show you a couple things that I got. I didn't get too many things, but the things that I got are freaking awesome. So if you would like to see this Sephora haul, then keep on watching. So starting with, I'm gonna take this out because I'm gonna save the best for last. Well, it's not really the best, but like, it's just, I'm really excited about it. So the first thing that I did pick up here is that got the last one. I told you guys, I told you in my last Sephora haul, like, bring it up, go back and watch it. I told you that I would get all 5 of these, and I did. I got the Huda Beauty Sapphire Obsessions little eyeshadow palette, and I have all 5 of them now. So they're so freaking pretty, you guys. They're so pretty. I love every single one of them. So now I have all 5 of them, and they're a little family, and it's so cute. But yeah, when I actually forgot that when I went to Sephora like this last time, I wasn't going in there for anything in particular. I literally just happened to wander into the Huda Beauty section and I saw this and they had it in stock, and there was like 3 or 4 available, and I was like, what? So I got it. Very, very excited, and yeah, I'm excited to use it. I haven't actually used this one yet, so I'm real excited. They look beautiful, and they actually work really well too, because I have used a few of them like in my everyday life or in like Instagram videos. They do work really well. Next thing is another Huda Beauty product. Am I saying her name correctly? I hope so. I don't know if it's Huda or Huda, so I just hope I'm saying her name correctly. I think she's so pretty. Follow her on Instagram. This is the second thing that I got from her, and I've never used one of her liquid lipsticks before. So this one right here, it is really, really pretty. It's in the shade Famous, and it's so nice and pretty. It is a dark red, and so here it is in the actual tube. I think it looks, well, actually it looks pretty real to shade. It is a little, like, it is dark. That's why I got it. I got it because it looked like a fall shade, like a darker red. So that is what it looks like. It is really pretty. I love this shade, and then I have worn this a few times. It is more of a sticky consistency, sticky formula, but that's not bad by any means. I actually don't hate it. I thought that I wouldn't like it as much with it is more sticky than something like Jeffree Star or like ColourPop or something like that, to where they're not as sticky. They're more dry. Or Kylie, that's a really good example. Kylie's are not sticky at all in my opinion, and neither are Jeffree Star's. But this one right here is more of a sticky formula, so if you don't like that, then you may not like this, but I don't mind it at all. But it's so pretty. I love the color. So I got that, and then the next 2 things that I got are our skincare items, and I'm very excited. So it is this. I took it out of the box already, so do apologize. This is the Glam Glow Glitter Mask, and it's the Gravity Mud. This is the My Little Pony like collaboration that they did, and it's so freaking cute, you guys. And the reason that I got this is because they were having a sale on it, and I wanted to try it, but they were having a sale. So like, what better time, honestly. And here's what it looks like. It's pink as heck. It's so pretty. And they had this pink one, they had a purple one, and then they had like a black one. And I got the pink one because I already have the Galactic Cleanse, and that one's kind of like a black formula. But this one is so cute, and I cannot wait to actually give this a shot. I've never used any of the actual peel off or wash off masks. I don't know if this is peel off. Is it peel off? Yeah, gently peel off from edges. Yeah, okay. Cool. So it is a peel off mask. It is a little more like intense, I think. So I'm scared. I'm still going to use it obviously, but I am a little bit scared because my skin is so sensitive. I don't want it to like have a meltdown. But maybe it won't. I hope not. But yeah, I got that, so I'm very excited about that. And then the last thing I picked up here is, I think the thing that I'm most excited about, not for any particular reason, I just wanted to use this brand for so long, and this is what I got. So if you know what this is the brand Tarte, and this is their like holiday bundle set, if you will. So this baby was $64, and it is a $98 value. So I mean, it was really not bad at all. You get a full size. Actually, just let me just show you individually here. The first thing that I have is the water cream. I have not used this yet at all, so I have still to try this, but I am very excited to give it a shot. On the back of the actual moisturizer, it says it's for oily to normal skin, so maybe this won't work for me. I don't know, because I have very, very dry skin, but it says pore perfecting Japanese wild rose for normal to oily skin. I don't know, if you have oily skin, this would probably be great for you. I'm gonna have to try it out myself and see what it's like, because if it makes me dry, or if it makes me like, if it conflicts with my current skin, then I can't use it. But I definitely am going to try it out and give it a shot. Next thing I got is a small little tub of the Tarte Violent C Radiance Mask. I actually saw Kathleen Lights talk about this. I think she tried it out in one of her videos, and when she tried it out, I wanted to try it too, you know, because that's just how I work. I don't know why, but I saw this in the actual bundle and I was like, yo, that's dope. So I went ahead and got this, or this came with it as well. And this is a brightening beauty berry plus dual vitamin C for all skin types. So that one's really cool. And it's purple inside. Look how cute. Look how cute. It's freaking purple. But yeah, I'm excited to try this. I've heard a lot of good things about it, not just from Kathleen, but like on the Sephora website. It has a lot of good reviews. Now, this third thing here, I have heard everywhere, from Jaclyn Hill to Nikki Tutorials to I think Kathleen may have said this, but I know Jaclyn and I know Nikki has said amazing things about this. This is the Tatcha Silk Canvas Primer, and you guys, let me just tell you, I have used this and the next thing that I'm going to show you. I have already used this, and oh my god, it's actually really good. You know, I'm kind of like a skeptic when it comes to like, is something that good, you know, to where it's like game changing? Yes, this is that good. So here's what it looks like, and I really, really like this stuff. It makes my skin look really smooth, and I don't really know if it's pore filling. Filter Finish Protective Primer. I don't know if it's pore filling, but it doesn't make my skin really dry or anything, but I really like this. And it's a nice sample size as well. I mean, it would last you a good minute unless you like used a lot of it or something. But yeah, that's that. And then the last thing, you guys, I'm so excited about this because I've again heard great things from Jaclyn about this here. It is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. And I have skin that is as dry as the Sahara Desert, as you know, I've said that multiple times, and this stuff is bomb. So basically what you can do is you can spray it underneath your makeup, which is what I've done that today. I sprayed it underneath my makeup, and it makes my skin look like dewy. Like it makes it look like super like glowy and healthy. It doesn't make it look dry. My mom even noticed when I had sprayed this over top of my makeup and underneath my makeup. You can do it either way. You can spray it underneath or you can spray it all over after your makeup as like a setting spray. And she even said something. She said, "Oh my god, Mackenzie, I can see the dewiness on your skin. Your skin looks all dewy. Did you use that Tarte stuff?" I said, "Yeah, I did, mama." So for even my mom to notice, that is a real big feat. That is great. So yeah, I'm really enjoying this this stuff, you guys. If you don't know, this is, again, it's like a little bundle, like a Christmas holiday set or bundle. I think they still have this available online and in the store. I got this in store, as you know. 64 bucks for like basically $100 value. It's good. I like it. But yeah, you guys, that has been my Sephora haul. I really hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and then subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bells down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.